So continuing on with our CES 2026 coverage, Targus and Hyper came to play this year, and starting with their new 17-inch Voyager EXP travel backpack, this was hands down possibly one of my most favorite products of the show. Simply by design alone, just by looking at it, it is phenomenally designed and comes with a ton of features, including an expandable 27 to 30 liter travel pack with TSA friendly design, safe port sling protection, RFID blocking pocket, and ergonomic features as well. This is actually currently already available for $89.99. One of the other awesome products I was looking at this year as well was their new mobile docks. They're their next gen EcoSmart USB-C and USB 4 mobile docks. They have high performance travel docks with up to dual 4K or single 8K support, 140 watts, EPR pass-through, high-speed ports, SD and micro SD readers, and is built with recycled materials. They will be available between Q1 and Q2 of 2026 with a starting retail price around $105 to $140. They also brought their cable locks and magnetic privacy screens. I didn't get too much hands-on time with this, but they did look awesome in passing. They are a magnetic attachment with 60 degrees privacy, antimicrobial protection, blue light reduction, and anti-glare coatings. They are available now as well with a starting retail price of $45 all the way to $49.99. They did also come with the DEFCON Ultimate Universal Hybrid Combination locks. It is a dual mode lock with a user resettable combination and serialized IT master code. This is one of their biggest differentiating factors for a company. If they buy these, not only can a user have their own combination, but thanks to their dedicated portal for their serialized IT master codes, any user that needs on a IT platform to be able to reset these and find the codes at any time can do so. They are available now as well in a single pack for $49.99 and a 25 pack for $1,249.75. Again, Targus came to play. They look great. The build quality of all of these items was phenomenal, and I was definitely thrilled to get my hands on this. The Hyperdrive Next USB 4 M.2 PCIe enclosure was another benefit that they brought, and actually was a CES Innovation Award for 2026 honoree. It has high-speed PCIe expansion. It delivered through USB 4 version 2, supporting PCIe Gen 4 and 3, NVMe drives, AI accelerators, and networking cards. It has a toolless installation, and optional external power, and a 100% recycled aluminum design. That is available now as well for the starting retail price of $199.99. Again, these are starting and suggested retail prices, so just keep that in mind. They also had the Hyperjuice solid state power banks. These are solid state batteries with Qi 2 and Qi 2.2 magnetic fast charging that are designed for safety, speed, and travel. They're offered in a couple different size ways, in a 5,000 and 10,000 milliamp hour battery with a Find My enabled version as well. These are not quite available yet. They'll be available around Q2 or Q3 estimated, with the 5,000 milliamp coming in at $49.99 and the 10,000 milliamp for $59.99 to $89.99 depending on the model. They also brought this new Hyperspace Trackpad Pro, which actually really surprised me and is again a CES Innovation Award honoree from this year. This is the first premium haptic trackpad built for Windows, and it delivers zero latency input, 240 Hz responsiveness, and customized deep click zones, as well as smart palm protection, rejection, and it is not quite available yet. It's still to be determined. Hopefully sometime in 2026 this will drop, with a suggested retail price of $130. Let me tell you, this blows any trackpad I've seen out of the water, and I really do wish they will be compatible with a Mac at some point in time, but just due to some hindrances in Mac OS, as we're aware, it is just too difficult to bring over right now. So at the moment, it will stay just as a Windows exclusive. However, it was really cool, looked great, and all of that. Now, again, between all these items I just talked about, I really do think the backpack, these power banks, again, being solid state at that, are going to be some of the best hitters of this year. And I can't wait to get our hands on with them. If you're interested in these products, make sure to stay tuned to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and subscribe to know when those videos go live. I've already talked to them. We'll be getting hands on thanks to Targus. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for hosting us, and we will catch you in the next one. Peace.